Hey guys, Chuck's here with the messy bench. Got to clean my benches up. Okay, what did I get today? Toshiba. Pretty old batteries. They might come up alright. They might not. Haven't had much luck with these ones. If you're having luck with them, give me a bell. Leave me a message. This one came out of a Sony pack. Of course, they're Sony batteries. They're the red ones, so they're probably the best ones you can get. And then I had this one, this pack, and they're the really good ones as well. These are good batteries normally. Doesn't mean they will be today. I did get to the batteries I reset yesterday. They didn't warm up. They've still got XX on them because I'm not trusting them. But look, they came up. I got them to come up to 2100 on both of them. So that's pretty good considering they were dead before. Anyway, if you think I shouldn't use them, leave me a message below. And please like and subscribe. Anyway, that's it from me today. It's just a quick one. And I hope you're all doing well and having a wonderful day out there. And well, if you're in Australia, it's spring. And if you're over in America, well, it'd be autumn, wouldn't it? And Europe. Anyway, see ya. Bye.